In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Windows 11 DirectX error. If your games or creative apps are popping up DirectX warnings or failing to launch, the most common cause is an outdated or corrupted graphics driver. The good news is, you can refresh that driver using Windows' built-in tools, and that's exactly what we'll do together now. Start by opening the Quick Link menu. Press the Windows key and the X key at the same time, and a small menu will appear near your Start button. From that list, click Device Manager. This is the dashboard that shows all the hardware Windows is managing, and it's the safest place to adjust drivers without digging through third-party utilities. Once Device Manager is open, look for the section labeled Display Adapters and click the small arrow next to it to expand. You'll see your graphics hardware listed here. On many systems, there might be two entries, one for integrated graphics built into the processor and one for a dedicated graphics card. That's normal. Pick the GPU you primarily use for games and creative apps. It'll typically be the dedicated one. Right-click the GPU entry and choose Update Driver. This tells Windows to check for a newer, compatible graphics driver package. Drivers act as the translator between Windows and your graphics hardware, and keeping them current is essential for DirectX stability and performance. In the Update Drivers window, select Search automatically for drivers. This option instructs Windows to look both on your device and online for the latest verified driver. Make sure you're connected to the internet so it can reach Microsoft's catalog and the appropriate provider. If a newer driver is found, Windows will download and install it for you. During installation, your screen may flicker or briefly go black. That's normal while the graphics driver restarts. If Windows reports that the best drivers are already installed, that simply means there's no newer package available through this channel at the moment. Allow the process to finish and follow any on-screen prompts. If Windows asks for permission to proceed or to restart later, that's part of ensuring the new driver is fully applied. Before you close Device Manager, take a moment to confirm there are no warning icons next to display adapters, which would indicate a device issue. That's it. By updating your GPU driver through Device Manager and letting Windows search automatically, you address one of the most frequent causes of DirectX errors on Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and I hope this gets you back to smooth, error-free performance.